I thought I was gonna slide and I don't have socks on. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of update on what's going on with me and my life. Yes! My husband's getting out of the military in a few months, so excited. Mainly because I want to be closer to family and be able to just not move like every 4 years, because that can get very exhausting, and I want to be able to like live my life in one place for a while. So pretty excited. The thing I will be doing these probably upcoming like videos is doing like moving updates. My plan is to start getting rid of stuff and kind of just sizing down, because I've accumulated so many things while I was living here and just buying nonsense. So I need to really size down. So I need to start doing that. And I need to, you know, go through like my kitchen items, my clothes. That's the biggest thing. My husband keeps telling me, you need to get rid of some clothes. And yes, he is right. I do need to get rid of some clothes. But this is just going to be like a series of maybe like every week where I go to each section of my house and figure out what I'm going to get rid of or donate or sell. So follow along with me. If you haven't subscribed to me, why aren't you subscribed? Subscribe right down below. And if you are liking this video so far, give it a like. When I talked about like sizing down, so the military, if you guys are not familiar with like the process, so there is a weight limit of how much stuff you can have. And the maximum, I don't know what the maximum is for my husband's rank, but when we were moving up here, I think the weight limit was like 8,000. And I heard that like if you go over that amount, like you pay like every, like I think like every $10, it's like every pound, I don't know, something insane. So I tried to be very careful with that. So I might even like make a whole list of like big items, such as like furniture items, and then kind of like gauge how much of stuff I'm going to be taking with us. But I don't know, I think that's a bit extreme, but maybe for the bigger items I don't think it's that weird. Anywho, we're definitely gonna be sizing down, and like the thing is that I don't want to size down too much, because we do have a house in Utah. It's pretty big, and we don't want to have like an empty house once we move again, because when we first moved into the house we had like nothing. So I don't want to end up in that same situation, because then we have to rebuy things, and I don't want to be doing that when we don't know how our finances are going to look like once we go back. So we definitely want to be smart with like what we're going to keep and what we're going to donate. But anyways, I know I've been talking too much about this nonsense, but I think it's important information for anybody that is going to go through the same process. I'm going to start with my kitchen stuff. There's a bit, actually no, not my kitchen. I want to start with my coffee bar, because I have a lot of unnecessary things down there. So maybe we'll go through that together and see what we can get rid of down there. So we'll start with that. Okay, wow, that other lighting was really bright, and this right here is bothering me a little bit. So okay, is that better? I don't know. I feel like this lighting, oh there we go, that light is bright. Okay, this light, you guys, works amazing, and it's so small but it's so bright. Okay, there we go. That's the magic right there, is having the best light. Okay, that's a little low. Okay, now you guys can see me. Okay, this is my coffee bar. Love this bar since I bought it. I don't know if you guys see my other video, but I basically made it really, really cute, aesthetically pleasing, like very like 70s, very like, I don't know, maximalist style, I guess what you call it. But I love it, and I'm so sad because I'm gonna have to like take the wallpaper down and rip it in pieces. So I'm so sad, but it's okay. We're gonna enjoy it while it's here. So let's go through it. Excuse me. Here we go. Okay, so we got some goodies here. I don't think I need it all in here because a lot of it's probably just trash. And as you guys could see, I'm not a very organized person. It's literally stuff shoved in there. So a lot of junk. Yeah. I have these bottles because I wanted to make stuff out of them and make it really like a cute little, like, I wanted to make a cute little like flower vases out of them, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I don't have the time. So we're just gonna throw these away. And then my husband likes to collect crown bags, so this is all his. So he likes to collect stuff like that. I have here is, I don't know why I have this in here. This is a little like scented plug-in thingies. I forgot what the name it's called, but really cute. But I might keep it because it's Christmassy and I want to start using it. So, you know, for Christmas time. Actually, that's crazy. We're almost around Halloween season and Christmas. Okay, so I have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff right here. Don't know what's going on. No, snap. Okay. Okay, so if you're a mother, you know what these are. You know, every child goes to the store, or you take your child to the store. They always want this, and it's so overly expensive. Over here in Alaska, they're almost like $5, so they're expensive. So I don't think I want to collect these. I think it's time to throw them in the trash. So we're going to do that. We're going to grab a trash bag and throw them in there. Got my bag here. We're going to toss those in the trash. We're not going to donate them because that's kind of gross. And I have here some candy rocks. Ooh. You guys remember these? These are candy rocks. Minted flavor. Tools. We may need that for something because I think this actually goes to something. And then I have a bunch of Tic Tacs. Don't know why. But I have Tic Tacs, more Tic Tacs, more. I have an insane amount. Okay, so if you want good smelling breath, there's some mints there. And then got some of these. These need to go in the trash. This is gonna be a bunch of junk in here, honestly. And then I have some creamers, half and half, that I could still use, I think. I really don't use half and half. I just drink my coffee black because I'm insane. And then I have a bunch of like these random candies. These are good. Maybe I should keep these. Maybe I'll keep them till I eat them all because I do love those. And marshmallows. Let's see. Let's open one and see. Make sure it's good. It's all like chunky. Maybe I'll throw these away. You know what? I'm gonna throw it away. We're just gonna throw them away because we don't need them. Okay, so I pretty much emptied it out. Stuff that I probably won't need, so I'll keep that in there. Got the wood. Okay, this will keep because it's for barbecuing. Pocky sticks. Ooh, Pocky. Ooh, oh my god, these are so good. I might have to keep these. These are good. I don't know. They might be still. No, I'm gonna keep that. Ooh, popping kernels. Okay. I will keep these because I love popcorn. And I love making my own. Okay, what we got here? A bunch of random stuff again. Throw that away. Looks old. We're just gonna throw this jar away. I collect a lot of jars because we put like fat in it or we just use it for plants. I don't know. And that's on the trash too. I like to collect a bunch of nonsense. These cookies are kind of gross, so I might be throwing those away. Coffee, double chocolate. This is not bad, so I'll definitely keep that for now. I don't use this, but maybe somebody I know will use it. I don't know. Keep that for now. Okay, I do like making my instant coffee. So good. I also have this like white cheddar. I'm not a white cheddar girl, so I might throw this away. That. And then we got Freskina. This expired in 2022, so we're gonna toss this in trash. Nothing in there, so that will stay. And then I got my little cocktail little book here, super cute. Okay, this might have to go. This is from 2024. This is the Starbucks syrup, and I probably will trash this because I don't really use it, and plus I've had it for so long. I probably have to throw it away because it's kind of getting old, so I might just get rid of it. And then this is like a whole thing here. I'm not looking forward to this. And then I have this sparkling cider. Is it okay? There's still stuff in there, so for New Year's. Oh no, I won't be here for New Year's, so I'll probably have to get rid of it. Matcha. Definitely won't keep that because I do drink that pretty often. Guava tea. I saw this at what is that store called? Burlington. You know, Burlington has like the weirdest like stuff that they sell as far as like food, teas. I saw guava and I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see how it tastes like. Got some random stuff in here. Digestion lemonade, and then some peach tea, piece of chocolate. I'll probably throw these away. I don't need any more candy in my life. Trash. This is from last year. I'm gonna throw that away. Vanilla bean brulee. I don't know if I ever tried this. I'll have to try it because I've had it for so long. I'm not yet to try it. Got more teas, so I'm gonna have to like organize. Like I bought this a while back and it's supposed to be for like organizing teas. I just never took the time to do that, so maybe I'll do that eventually. Some more matcha, all the teas, cappuccino, and then I got Bloom. I don't drink it anymore because it gets expensive, so maybe I'll get back on it. I don't know. It's like $20 per bottle. And then this, more teas, random piece of candy, more immune stuff, more teas, hard marshmallows. Oh, these are so gross. Peep. Oh. Thing that I'm gonna be keeping. The rest will have to go. So there we go. Got rid of whatever I needed, and it pretty much is all this. So far, got some good progress. Really good progress. So I'm proud of myself for just letting go what I don't need, so that way I am 10 pounds lighter. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.